I just saw $498.63 yesterday. I repeated this and saw another $401.04 today, and this is all completely for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from zero to over $400 per day online without spending any money, without having any skills, without having any extraordinary knowledge. All you need to know is how to use a PC. All we need is an internet connection, which I'm sure most of us have. And you need to watch this video until the end to understand each and every step so that you can build up to $400 per day completely for free without actually spending any money. This does require a little bit of your time, maybe about 20 to 30 minutes to set up. But after this, you can actually get commissions and money online from work that you've done years ago. So this can actually become a complete passive income online method. This channel is all about making money online, working from home, free courses, free training videos, free content, free tips and tricks to help you build a brand online, build an audience, and build a successful online business. My name is Jay. I run this channel, Millionaire Mindset. I post daily free videos, free trainings, and document my journey on what I'm doing to make money online so that hopefully you can see exactly what I'm doing, learn from my free mentoring on YouTube, and hopefully replicate the success yourself. So if you want to get tons of free content, and just as a thank you for watching this video, I'm going to give you my 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp for over 90% off. All you need to do is click on the first link in the description, enter this code on the screen, and it will take over $1,900 off that 6-figure university, making it only $97. Those of you that only watch this video, I hardly ever do this, can only claim that discount as there's no other place that I'm promoting this coupon. So if you're watching this video today, congrats to you, you're very lucky. But without further ado, I just want to show you some results from this strategy in my live dashboard. So today's earnings, I got about 500 clicks from this free strategy, 491 visitors. So that means about 10 people didn't actually follow through to the landing page. They obviously clicked off or something like that. And I got a total of 21 sales doing this, which is a total earnings of $401. This is today's earnings only. Gross revenue is all the money I made, but this is my commissions from my total sales. The clicks yesterday was a little bit more, as this day today is obviously not complete, so I might get more sales and clicks. But this is just to show you my live sales, just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard, just to show you that these are my live earnings from this. So you get a lot of people online that promote these different strategies and teach you these so-called different ways to make money online, but they don't actually show their own ways or their own earnings from it. So you don't know if that actually works for them or if they're just teaching you something that doesn't work. So this is just to show you that this is working for me, that it is an actual working strategy. Results may differ for you, but these are my results, and hopefully you can get something similar. Alright, so I quickly want to show you this landing page over here. This is a brand new tool, recently new. I would say it's about a year old now, that not a lot of people know about. It is an insane tool to have as an online entrepreneur and content creator in today's world to grow fast. So this is a tool that will get you over 75% of potential clients and potential traffic to anything that you are making videos about. So this tool automatically translates all your content, that's titles, captions, descriptions, tags, to over 100 foreign languages. Now, if you think about it, let's say you make a video in English. You title it, "How to Grow a YouTube Channel." Someone searches how to grow a YouTube channel in German, whatever it is in German, in their country over there, and you're not going to pop up on their search feed or their YouTube search page because your video is not in German, or videos that have been translated will pop up on their feed. However, if you've used a tool like this to translate your video to German, you will now pop up on their feed, and Germany becomes an entire potential audience, which can be more affiliate sales, which can be more YouTube subscribers, TikTok followers, Instagram followers. It can blow up so many different platforms for you. So this is how powerful this tool is. And German is just one example of hundreds of other languages. You've got Italian, Japanese, Chinese, you've got French, Portuguese, Spanish, so many different languages that you can translate all your content to, which is very, very powerful to have. And what's great about this tool, if I scroll down to the bottom, it's only currently going off for a once-off price of $37. Now, we're not going to buy this ourselves. Like you said, you don't even need this tool. But what you can actually do is you can become an affiliate for this tool, share this tool, promote this tool for the creator of this tool, and you will get a commission of up to 50% per sale that you make with this tool. Now the pros of this tool, it's cheap. People can afford it. It's not something that will take forever to sell. You're going to get lots of little sales because it's affordable. People want to try new tools like this. I'm going to reveal this tool just in a bit. But in order to become an affiliate for this tool, you need to come over to this website over here called jvzoo.com, which is an affiliate marketplace where you can basically promote other people's products and get commissions for that in a nutshell. All you need to do is get started for free over here. If I click on the get started for free, this is for those of you that don't have an account on JVZoo. Alright, for some unknown reason it took me back to my dashboard, but you just need to enter your email, your password, confirm your email, and you'll be able to sign up instantly. Come over to the affiliates tab over here, click on find products over here. I'm just going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to wait for this to load. Over here you can see tons of different affiliate products that you can promote as an affiliate, and you will see, for example, if I take this tool over here called the Video Builder app, which is obviously an app that builds videos. It's currently selling for, its sell price, average price is $33. I lost it now. Over here, $34. You're going to get 8%, 50% commission. So that means you get $16 per sale, plus minus, per sale that you make with this tool. But the specific tool that you're going to search, which is this tool over here, you're just going to type in Lingo Blast over here. Click on the search button over here. Here it is over here. So over here you can see there's a tool that says Lingo Blaster tool that currently sells for anywhere between $35 and $28. You're going to get 50% commission on this, which is plus minus $14 or $18 plus minus over there. So all you need to do is click on get links over here. So if I click on get links, you'll see is my affiliate link. So if I copy this affiliate link, come over to a new tab and paste this over here, you will see it will take me to the landing page of Lingo Blaster, which is connected to my JVZoo link. So now every time someone actually clicks on this checkout over here at the bottom, click on buy now, it's automatically linked to my JVZoo account. So when they pay for this product, it's going to naturally and automatically send me 50% commissions to my JVZoo account over here. And that's how I've been building up tons of affiliate commissions on my JVZoo account with this. The next thing that I did was I came over to Reddit over here and I just searched in the search bar YouTube growth. And all I did was I went and looked for different Reddits that are talking about growing on YouTube. For example, TuberChat, YouTube startups, newbies on YouTube, people that want to get started on YouTube and grow their channel. So over here, I've got 4 perfect groups for you already that you can go and use. First of all, it's YouTube Growth, a community to help smaller YouTubers get noticed. The second group I have is just called Get Noticed on YouTube, and then TuberChat, and then YouTube Views over here. So over here, people are talking about different YouTube views and comments, and obviously the whole topic around these groups is YouTube in general. So this is where we want to go, because these are where aspiring content creators are going to be, where we can find them and get them to buy our tool to grow their channel. I just quickly want to show you how powerful Reddit is. So if I come over to the reddit.com and copy the link, the reddit.com link, and I come over to a tool called SimilarWeb, which is a place where I can do background checks on websites. And I enter Reddit into this website, click on the Reddit website over here. I can do a complete background check, have a look at how much traffic this website is getting. I mean, take a look at this. This is absolutely crazy. So this is currently the 19th biggest website in the world. Currently the 11th biggest in the United States, the 5th biggest in its category. It's getting a total visits of 1.54 billion total visits every single month. That is basically a 7th of the world viewing this website every single month, and it's all top tier countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. These are all first world countries with a lot of money, with strong currencies that can definitely afford these smaller $30 tools. So this is a very powerful, very useful tool if you want to do an analysis on any website that you're promoting in the future, to understand what kind of traffic this website is getting, where it's ranked, and where this traffic is coming from, what countries, and if it's good quality traffic. So now that we understand, Reddit is a good place to go about this. I'm going to come over to my landing page builder. So I definitely suggest, if you want to become an online entrepreneur, you need to have some kind of landing page builder. So this is my Kartra dashboard. I use Kartra to build landing pages. You can use ClickFunnels, Builderall, or Kartra if you want to. I personally prefer Kartra as they have the best pages by far. And over here on the bottom right, you'll see there's a plus page. Click on this plus page over here. You can see you can import tons of done for you landing pages over here, tons of templates. This is just squeeze pages. You can import video sales pages, you can import thank you pages, long sales pages, coming soon pages, product launch, product review, everything that you can think of. So I'm just going to close this because I already have a done for you template. I'm going to click on edit over here. You'll see if I click on edit page and I click on edit, you can edit a page. At the end of this video, I will show you how you can get this as well. So you'll see it will take a couple of seconds to load up the page builder. Over here for my title, I'm just going to come back to Lingo Blaster here. You can just copy this, watch me dominate page 1, and you can replace this with your title over here. And over here, the most powerful thing, I just want to copy this as well. Get targeted traffic from buyer keywords. Okay, I've already got that there. So the most powerful thing about this bridge page that I've created is that I am collecting emails. Secondly, it's my own website. It's not an affiliate link that will get banned on Reddit, as Reddit does ban affiliate links. That's why we're creating our own bridge page over here. But the most powerful thing is I am building my own emails over here. I'm collecting an email list. I'm collecting people's names and emails. In exchange, I'm giving them access to this free training on this Lingo Blaster tool. So all you need to go do is, once you've created a simple landing page like this, when you join your landing page builders such as Kartra, Builderall, or ClickFunnels, they give you tons of free trainings to help you do this. Don't worry, I just took those free training portals on these platforms to help me learn how to build these pages. Otherwise, you can view my Kartra playlist down below, which will help you out with tons of Kartra tutorials on building landing pages. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you do that, you can click on publish live over here. It will load up with your link page over here. So all you need to do is keep this link or copy it or leave it open in this tab for now. We need to come back to our Reddit over here. And all you want to do is go and engage with the community. So for example, here is someone that's put collab thread. So all you're going to do is click on the comments and let's have a look at what people are saying. Gaming channel with 96 subscribers and growing at this moment. I wanted to see if any collaborations with anybody are interested. All you're going to do is you can reply to this. You'll see, okay, I haven't logged in with my Reddit account, but you'll see there's a big reply button and all you want to type is, hi there. You can at the person, this guy is at JSTana126, at them. You can mention to them, I just checked out your channel, really love your content. You want to compliment them, give them a positive vibe, and say to them, I definitely left a subscribe and like. I'm also a newbie YouTuber trying to get some followers and likes, but I recently came across this tool called Lingo Blaster, which has helped me reach a huge foreign audience by automatically translating all my videos for me. Let me know or message me privately if you want to check that out. Or you can just put your link to your page. Here's a free training on this over here, but I definitely recommend rather get them to message you. So it shows that you're this real person and not some kind of bot. You don't want to copy paste the same message to each and every comment in these Reddit posts because people will start to see that you're becoming this bot-like kind of person. You might get banned. People will just ignore you. So I really don't recommend that. Just to quickly show you how you can claim this drop servicing expert on huge discount right now, just come over to the homepage or the first link in the description. It'll be the first link. You can click on yes, sign me up and view bonuses over here. All the bonuses in this course you're getting for $19,000. This course is already on huge special for $397, but enter this coupon that I'm going to show you now to get it only for $97. There's not going to be a time like this where I'll run a special like this again. This is just for those of you watching this video to give you a big thank you and to help you out. So all you do is enter this code OFF1900. Click on the tick over here. It will take the course all the way down to just $97. I mean, this is over $19,000 of bonuses, and it's years of knowledge that has personally paid me more than what doctors earn in months. It's all about selling rare high income skills and services without doing the work. So make sure to click on the first link in the description and go claim your discount down below.